Hi, welcome back, and this is part 7, the blade support for the 2005 desk fan project. This attaches to our motor, so the hole here goes onto the shaft of the motor, and then the blade, which we have to design in the next stage, goes onto the front of that and it'll spin it. So it's made out of nylon, diameter 10 millimeters. The closest I have is 20, so I'll have to take that down to 10 millimeters in diameter. Its length is 12 millimeters, and according to the design they want a 1.9 millimeter hole through it. Now, I don't have a 1.9 millimeter drill bit, so what I did was I tested with a 2 millimeter drill bit and I got a good tight fit. So I would say that a 2 millimeter drill bit and a drop of super glue and you have your problem solved. So let's get down to it. Right, so that's that piece done. It wasn't a very difficult piece, nice and quick on the lathe, and with the 2 millimeter drill bit it fits pretty well. There's no looseness there. There's a little pop, a little drag when it's coming off, so I think a drop of super glue will definitely hold that on when the time comes. So now the next stage is to design a blade or fan that will go and attach to this to finish off our project. I'll see you in the next video for that. Thanks for watching.